Hello to all my friends out there. So I know I have 100 new followers, and I'm thinking some of these new followers are preppers, and so all the preppers prep different. So what I'm doing is I'm going through my boxes, and I'm putting my boxes in smaller boxes, because it occurred to me that if I had to move the food out of here, I would be moving it. I would be going as fast as I could, and I would run the risk of hurting myself. These are actually pretty heavy. This is grape juice and grape jam, and then I found some of my raisins, and I put them in there because in time during famine they would run out of oil, wine, barley, and wheat. So I'm storing grape stuff, all kinds of grape stuff. You can make pancakes with eggs and grape jam. You can put some raisins in your oatmeal. You can drink a little glass of grape juice. So grape stuff. And then the next thing is wheat. I'm going through my stockpile. Okay, I haven't put this in anything, but what this is wheat flour. And I bought these 2.5 pound bags for $1. The price of food is going up. Chances are you're not going to be able to get this stuff at $1 2 pounds. So I have about 12.5 pounds of wheat flour. What I usually do is I mix the wheat and the white flour, and so let's say I had to survive on my flour. I bought this one at Walmart, 10 pounds. So I can make bread. And say my friend ran out of food, I could help them out with this recipe so easily. I could give them some flour. I could give them some soda. I could give them some powdered milk and some lemon juice or vinegar. They might even have some soda and vinegar in the house. You know, if you're washed out by a flood and you're escaping for your life, you're not going to get out with anything. So you have oil. And so this is just any old kind of oil. You need oil to grease your pan too. I would give my friends some of this. I have olive oil, I have Crisco, and I have lard as well. You don't want to run out of oil because that's going to send you into starvation. Your brain only knows fat and sugar. That's basically what milk is. Lactose and milk fat. So you want to have some oil. Oil, wine, wheat, and barley. Right now you can get this stuff pretty cheap. I'll be getting 10 pounds pretty soon. And I better hurry up before the price goes up. Oil, wine, wheat, and barley. That's in the Bible. Every single famine ever hit. Smart and Final. These are about $5 or $6. I have two ones in the refrigerator. I can't get them anymore at the dollar store. Okay, so you're gonna store beans, rice, and vegetables. I would get these while I can get them for $1. And then these. Don't go crazy, just buy 2 at a time. Mixed vegetables, corn, green beans, and peas to start. Just pick up the cheapest place for vegetables, believe it or not, is Aldi's. So your friend comes to the door, you go into your half-eaten package, you have some half packages of flour, and you have some rice. Part of it is just knowing what to get, you know. And so I'm working on a couple boxes per day on my food. So today I did the meat again, and I put them in smaller boxes. I have turkey meat. I don't have too many of those. These are mostly tuna. I usually like 20 cans. I have 5 cans of ham. I would give my friends this. This would make quite a bit of beans. And then if I had it, I would give them some milk to put in the beans and some butter or oil. Let's hope I have it, God forbid. Okay, so that I don't care for this stuff, but I have some. I care for this stuff. I will be packing up quite a bit of this stuff. I like this stuff. I just have 2 though, and this is good, Aldi's. So if something happens, I don't go into this box and give it away. I might give them some ham. Okay, and then thanks to the follower, Mr. Charles now, I have a small box of Vienna sausages. He's got 70. I've only got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then I have some deviled ham and some potted meat. I would give somebody some potted meat to eat with their bread. I would give them a can of tuna. Go to the food bank if you don't have much food. Okay, now this box, first of all, this box ended up to be horrible. I bought this box, I think it was at Walmart. It's a horrible food storage box. I have sardines. These are awful. Remember Ricky and I with the bones? These are good. I like these with crackers and mustard. I have some cheap lunch meat. It's horrible, but in a pinch, I would eat it. I have some sardines. I have some oysters. With those, I just heat them. And then these are nice. You can put these in pork and beans. I have a few cans of those. And then I have a few cans of corned beef. That's good because you can put those in. I'll straighten this back out. So that's my little boxes now, so I can get out of here without hurting my neck or my back. So that's what I did to work on my stockpile today. And so let's say you're new to stockpiling. Go through your kitchen, especially if you live around any flooded areas where you might experience flash floods. If you have a full dam north of you, that's dangerous. If you follow the waterways in your state and areas flooding are north of you, that's bad. If they're at a higher region than you are, the water is going to flow from higher to lower generally. If one of the places I think is very dangerous right now is the Gulf of Mexico, because on the west coast, the water flows from north to south down to Baja California. On the east coast, I would say it flows from north to the Gulf of Mexico. And then in the mid regions of the country, that's just plain flooded all over the place. And the floods are very, very dangerous. Most of the dams, where the dams burst or they're bad flash floods, are considered unsurvivable events. So you want to get out of there. Don't take the chance. Take a few days off if you have to, and just evacuate. Don't ask permission, just do it. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.